We're here, Baltimore, Southwest Island from Falmouth. Single-handed, longest single-handed passage I've ever done. And it was a rocky one, but we made it. It was a good sail though, reach all the way. Variable wind from good amount to not too much. And yeah, we left I think about 3 o'clock. What's the day? Wednesday, 3 o'clock Tuesday afternoon. And it's now, I don't know, 4, 5 in the morning. Say 5. So what's that? 24 hours, 1 day, 3 plus 2, 12, 14. 1 day, 14 hours. And I did look earlier and it was saying 210. We've done 211 miles. Quick little tidy up and I'm going to bed. Amazing. I feel I should be more excited. I'm just quite naked. But yeah, yes, we did it. Yes, again. We'll see where we go next. Go and explore some anchorages around here. Good night. Good morning.